Excel is a powerful tool for individual work, but it's not the best for sharing data. Collaborating on Excel files in shared environments or through Microsoft Teams is error-prone, and emailing simple workbooks is slow, manual, and with risk of version confusion. Often, the relevant data is just a small portion of the workbook, and sending the entire file or creating a new smaller one is inefficient. Sharing data shouldn't be disruptive or tedious. If you're looking for a better way to share data efficiently, smoothly, and securely, this video is for you. Different individuals and departments each have their own workbooks, some more complex than others, with specific references or VBA macros. Sharing these files can be a hassle, with references going missing or macros failing. When shared on a network drive, this can even lead to file corruption, version confusion, or data loss. As a result, people become more cautious, keeping backups on their own computers or sharing only modified versions of their workbook. Instead of working from shared drives, some resort to emailing workbooks to each other. This manual process can significantly slow down workflows, especially if there are frequent updates. It may even become infeasible for high-frequency data, leading to business decisions based on outdated information. The bottom line is that data is scattered and being shared in inefficient and slow ways. Business-critical data remains in individual spreadsheets, never centralized in a system. With our data integration tools, all relevant business data can be consolidated into one organized resource. Rather than sifting through multiple versions of a file on a shared drive or filtering through emails, individuals can access the data they need directly and effortlessly. Our tools also integrate easily with data visualization platforms like Curveseries, Power BI, and Tableau, creating a seamless data pipeline. This ensures your reports and dashboards are always accurate, with real-time and automatic updates, so you can make decisions based on the latest data and extract the most valuable insights. If you're ready to move beyond Excel's limitations and embrace a more reliable, scalable, and automated data pipeline, it's time to make the switch. Streamline your data processes with enhanced security, efficiency, and accuracy. Let's unlock the full potential of your data together.